Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer with rice. First, we will cover the basic steps involved in creating your own batch. We'll start by discussing the key ingredients and equipment you'll need to get started. Then, we'll walk through the mashing, boiling, and fermentation stages, ensuring you understand each part of the process for a successful brew. To begin, gather your core ingredients: flaked rice, malted barley, hops, and a suitable brewer's yeast. For equipment, you'll need a large brew kettle, a fermenter, and sanitizing solution. A hydrometer is also useful for measuring sugar levels. Remember, thorough cleaning and sanitizing of all equipment is paramount to avoid contamination and ensure a great tasting beer. The mashing process involves combining your crushed grains and rice with hot water, typically around 146 to 152 degrees Fahrenheit, for about 60 minutes. This converts starches into fermentable sugars. Next, you'll boil the resulting liquid, called wort, for approximately 60 to 90 minutes, adding hops at specific times for bitterness and aroma. After boiling, cool the wort quickly to prepare for yeast. Once your wort is cooled to around 54 to 68 degrees Fahrenheit, it's time to pitch your yeast. This begins the fermentation process, which usually lasts 1 to 3 weeks. During this time, the yeast converts sugars into alcohol and carbon dioxide. After fermentation, you'll bottle your beer, adding a small amount of priming sugar to create natural carbonation. Allow it to condition for a few weeks, and also check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.